was actually kind of easy to make you Pandiri Esnir.
Baklo, yun pa talaga yung pinaalis.
Galing na galing po ako sa kanila kasi paano po nila nagawa yun, di ba?
It was so real, it was so honest, and we appreciate you, Mikmik. Thank you so much.
Happy tears.
Happy tears. And then thirdly, River. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry.
Like, it was so hard for me to do that, but like, for the task, so I hope we talk later and then we clear things out. I'm really sorry if I pushed your buttons. It was really not, that was our intention. That was our intention, but like, it was not real, and I hope you forgive me for it, Rivsky.
It gave me a peace of mind kasi kala ko nababaliw na lahat ng mga tao dito, pati ako. Because why would they think that way, or why are they thinking that way and not concerned about Sai?
For me naman guys, I understand it's a task. And ko din, kung lalagay ko yung position